So here's the truth. You don't need a warehouse full of expensive machines or a monthly gym membership to build serious muscle at home. You need the right gear, smart gear that maximizes every square foot of your space and every minute of your workout. This isn't about collecting equipment, it's about investing in tools that will transform your body, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been spinning their wheels with random workouts. We're talking about building real muscle, increasing strength, and creating a home gym that rivals any commercial facility. And the best part? Everything I'm showing you fits in. A closet takes up minimal space and delivers maximum results. Let's dive into the essentials. Gear 1. Adjustable dumbbells, the king of home muscle building. If you could only buy one piece of equipment, this would be it. Adjustable dumbbells replace an entire rack of weights and unlock hundreds of exercises for every muscle group. Why they matter? Progressive overload is the key to muscle growth. You need to gradually increase weight, and these let you do exactly that, from 5 pounds to 50+ pounds in one compact set. What to look for: quick adjustment mechanism, secure locking system, and a wide weight range. Brands like Power Blocks or Bowflex Selectech are game changers gear. 2 resistance bands set. Don't underestimate these colorful strips of rubber. Resistance bands provide variable tension that challenges your muscles in ways free weights can't. Plus, they're perfect for activation, warm-ups, and finishing moves. Why they matter: constant tension throughout the entire range of motion. Unique strength curve that matches your muscles' natural leverage points, portable enough to take anywhere. What to look for: multiple resistance levels, Dr. Anchor attachment handles that won't slip, and ankle straps for lower body work. Gear 3. Pull-up bar. Nothing builds upper body mass like pull-ups and chin-ups. A doorway. Pull-up bar turns any room into a lat building station. Why it matters: compound movement that hits lats, rhomboids, biceps, and core builds. Functional pulling strength that most people lack creates that coveted V-taper upper body. What to look for: sturdy construction that fits standard doorways, multiple grip positions, and easy installation without permanent mounting gear. 4. Kettlebell. One kettlebell is like having a personal trainer that never talks back. Kettlebells combine strength, cardio, and mobility into one brutal package. Why it matters: builds explosive power, improves grip strength and core stability. Unique ballistic movements that torch calories and build lean muscle. What to look for: start with a moderate weight, 20-35 pounds for most people, wide handle for comfort, and a flat bottom for stability during floor exercises. Gear 5. Adjustable bench. A quality bench transforms your dumbbell workouts from basic to extraordinary incline-decline. Flat positions unlock dozens of new angles and exercises. Why it matters: different angles target muscle fibers differently. Chest, shoulders, and back development requires angle variety, provides a stable platform for heavy lifting. What to look for: sturdy construction that handles your body weight plus weights, multiple incline positions, and compact storage design gear. 6. Suspension trainer. Bodyweight training. Elevated suspension trainers use your own weight and gravity to create resistance that builds lean muscle and improves mobility. Why it matters: unstable training surface engages stabilizer muscles, can adjust difficulty by changing body angle works. Every muscle group with one simple tool. What to look for: durable straps, comfortable handles, Dr. Anchor system, and clear instruction guide gear. 7. Foam roller. Recovery isn't optional, it's required for muscle growth. Foam rolling improves blood flow, reduces soreness, and keeps you training consistently. Why it matters: breaks up muscle adhesions and trigger points, improves flexibility and range of motion speeds. Recovery between workouts prevents injury that derails progress. What to look for: medium density foam textured surface for deep tissue work, and length that covers your entire back. Here's the thing: building muscle at home isn't about having the most gear, it's about having the right gear and using it consistently. These 7 pieces create a complete training ecosystem in your living room, basement, or spare bedroom. You can build as much muscle at home as any commercial gym member. The difference is convenience, consistency, and never having an excuse to skip a workout. Start with 1 or 2 pieces that match your current fitness level and budget. Add more as you progress and your needs evolve. Progress isn't about collecting equipment, it's about progressive overload, proper form, and showing up day after day. The best home gym is the one you actually use. You can't build muscle, you don't challenge, and you can't challenge muscles without the right tools. If this video helped you plan your home gym setup, don't forget to hit like. It supports the channel and tells us to make more equipment. Guides like this. See you in the next one. Stay consistent.